This is 2026, and becoming a successful creator is not easy anymore because the competition is very high. But if you work smart, you can grow faster, get more views, and earn more money. Even if your video is good, people may not click on it. Why? Because you need two important things: a strong title, a clear and eye-catching thumbnail. Today, I will show you how to make a high CTR thumbnail, which pop out in crowd without any design skills, using free AI tools. This video has only 3 simple steps. 1. Prompt generation. 2. Thumbnail generation. 3. Thumbnail rating. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Make a thumbnail prompt. Search for ChatGPT and open the official website. Type your video title or explain your video. ChatGPT will give you a thumbnail prompt. Copy the prompt. Step 2. Create the thumbnail. Search for Gemini and open the official website. Paste the prompt and click Create Image. Wait a few seconds. Your thumbnail is ready. Download it. Step 3. Check your thumbnail. Search for a thumbnail checker website. Upload your thumbnail and enter your video title. Check the score.